Welcome to this tutorial on how to do paper trading on Webull. Paper trading is a simulated trading environment where you can practice trading with virtual money, allowing you to test your strategies and refine your skills without risking real capital. To start paper trading on Webull, first download and install the Webull app on your mobile device or access it through the web platform. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the menu and select Paper Trading. Then enable the paper trading feature. You will be given a virtual balance of $100,000 to start with. Next, familiarize yourself with the paper trading interface, which is similar to the live trading interface. You can browse through various markets, including stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, and get real-time quotes and charts. To place a trade, select the market you want to trade, choose your order type, and set your position size. One of the key benefits of paper trading is that it allows you to test different trading strategies and refine your skills without risking real money. You can experiment with different trading styles, such as day trading or swing trading, and see how they perform in different market conditions. As you paper trade, pay attention to your performance metrics, including your profit and loss, win rate, and risk-reward ratio. These metrics will help you identify areas for improvement and refine your trading strategy. It is also essential to keep a trading journal to track your trades and reflect on your decisions. Best practices for paper trading on Webull include starting with a solid understanding of the basics of trading, setting clear goals and risk management parameters, and avoiding over-trading. It is also crucial to treat paper trading as if you were trading with real money, which means being disciplined and patient, and avoiding impulsive decisions. In conclusion, paper trading on Webull is a valuable tool for traders of all levels, from beginners to experienced professionals. By following these steps and best practices, you can use paper trading to improve your trading skills, test new strategies, and refine your approach to the markets. Remember to stay focused, disciplined, and patient, and you will be well on your way to becoming a successful trader.